Hey guys, it's Fusion Pokemon here with a card opening of a random 6 packs and 2 foil. Never seen this before. I found this at my local friend Myers with my brother. And I will also be announcing the giveaway winner for Sun and Moon. I want to thank everyone who participated in it. Way more people than I thought. Thank you for 10,000 subscribers or followers on Instagram. And hopefully we can get this YouTube channel going too, which has been a dream of mine. Okay, so let's see what we get. Like I said, I don't know. So you get a foil, which is a Gothita, I think it's called. And there's going to be a breakthrough, breakthrough, and breakthrough. 3 breakthroughs so far. And this one, there is a, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not very good with Pokemon cards, a full art Palkia. Breakthrough, breakthrough, and a Primal Clash. I'll start with this one since that's all there really is. Okay, so start from 3 from the back, I believe. Okay, so first card is a Escape Rope, Kakuna Matata, Kyogre Spirit Link, Spheal, Shroomish. Shroomish is actually my favorite Pokemon in Emerald when it came out, and I think it was my first shiny too. Zigzagoon, Weedle, Manibly, I want to say. A Reverse Hollow Probopass, I believe it's a Reverse Hollow. Oh, shoot. Kyogre EX. Wow. I was not expecting anything decently good. Okay, this is going into my collection. Alright. Breakthrough pack. It's funny because I told my brother to take that pack and I was going to take the other pack, but he refused to, so I guess joke's on him. And I'm sure right now he is regretting it. I see he's watching me open these packs. So, Spewpa, I believe. Stunfisk. Urusarang, I believe. Cubone. Hippopotas. Nice. Oh, Cyndaquil. Chilling like a villain. Golding. Starly. A Reverse Hollow Magnemite. And a rare Dodrio. Wow. I still can't believe I got the Kyogre. I'm sure it's not worth too much, but it'd be cool if, I'm not sure if Primal Clash you can get Mega Kyogre. Like I said, I'm not very good with cards. I just open them event once in a while, and I usually give them to my brother because he collects cards. Make sure to check out his channel. Link will be in my bio. So, Parallel City, a card I use on TCG Online. I do play on TCG Online, so ask for my username if you'd like. I will add pretty much anyone. Grand Bull, I believe. Hunter. Pretty cool art. Starly. Fennekin. Flabébé. Sounds like the person from South Park, if you watch South Park. Sandshrew. Kinda cool. Cubone. A Reverse Hollow Staryu. And a Simipour, I want to say. Simipour? Wait, Simipour, maybe. Alright, next breakthrough pack. Can we get 2 EXs to upset my brother even more? 3. So, starting with Snorlax. Vanillish. I was never a big fan of Vanillish. Assault Vest. Cubone. Noibat. Pikachu. Magnemite. Snubbull. Starly. Reverse Hollow. And a Chestnut rare. He does not look like a happy camper. Feel free to take the codes. Whoever gets it first, I don't mind. So 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's go for another EX. So Granbull, Hunter, Frogadier, Chespin, Ralts, Magnemite, Vinakid, Pacham, I think, Doduo, Mr. Mime. Alright, nothing to kill. Alright. Quilava. Excuse the glare, guys. Behem. Pinsir. Ralts. Swinub. Noibat. Skiddo. Sorua. Axew. And Rare Smeargle. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And up next, the winner of the giveaway. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know if you guys would like me to open anything specific or any specific videos. Like I said, this is my first video, and I hope you guys like it. Stay tuned, and thanks again. A new giveaway will, every 10,000 followers, I'll do a giveaway. So stay tuned, because next cut is the winner of the Sun and Moon giveaway. 2 winners.